The f*** is that?
I know you gonna dig this.
Good morning, guys. It is, if you can see the time on the stove, 3:22 a.m. We're going to be leaving this morning, so I'm basically going to be working on getting everything together. So far, I've had to bring these up from the basement and wipe them off. They're really dusty. We keep extra in our truck, but we had to actually use them when we had a really bad oil leak, or not oil, but coolant leak. And so we had to use the water in them to fill up the reservoir so we could get to a safe spot. And we refilled them, you know, in case we had to move the truck to hook up to the tow truck. A couple weeks ago, we refilled them using a hose that was really dirty, so we didn't want to use those. So we had to throw those out. So I brought up our extra. We're gonna fill those. Oh, and our neighbor got us some eggs, so I went ahead and cleaned them and did the whole testing to see if they're still good and all that. So she's really awesome. And then basically, we gotta do dishes, make sure there's nothing in the sink for like any mice or, you know, to attract anything, because we do live out in the country. But I'll probably be doing another wipe down inside the truck because the cats are in there. I've already thoroughly cleaned it for, you know, for us to set out, but just gonna do a real quick wipe and then like a couple loads of laundry and all that stuff. So we're gonna get to it. We're gonna go ahead and fill these water bottles.
So we have country water, which Derek's been raised to drink, and me not being raised in the country, not so much. It actually doesn't taste too bad, but it has a lot of iron in it, so we like to get it nice and filtered. Before we had two big filters, and then we'd have to run through both of them, then we'd be able to use the water. But now we have a new fridge, which has a built-in filter, which we can use, which is pretty awesome. So this process is a lot faster, and it helps in the morning whenever we're wanting to head out. Meal prepping, one of the things I make is beef dips and put a ton of different seasonings in it and mushrooms. Seasons that we like is Italian season, minced onions, oregano, basil, parsley, garlic powder, and of course salt and pepper. And then for Derek's meal, he always gets, I call it the Mexican meal, but it's grass-fed beef with a bunch of onions and peppers and taco seasoning.
What you doing? Yeah.
I don't mind having to wipe everything down because the cats are worth it. They're very entertaining and loving. And of course, even while I'm wiping things down, they're always a little bit of a distraction.
You're so cute, baby.
This is what I'm talking about. If you can see, I just wiped over here. This much dust in just a couple of days.
Ridiculous.
So I got all the meal prepping done. I got everything loaded, extra clothes and cat food. Don't you dare. This cat. After they eat, he always wants to get on the counter to see if there's any more food. There's never any more food, and he's not allowed up there, and he knows that too. This one's just chilling. He knows. He's like, I'm not gonna make eye contact. No, but right now I'm writing down the load information and gonna fill out a BOL. So then when we get there, all we have to do is get changed and then go ahead and get everything loaded. So right now we're doing the last finishing touches of getting everything ready and double checking that checklist to make sure everything's good. Are you good, baby?
Hey, Cinnamon, we're at Love's. What time's our TCU need to go on?
I think I put the time for 2:45, so your alarm should be going off soon.
Okay. Hey, do you know where the fuel card is for Petro TA?
No?
Neither do I.
We'll send you your phone number, I guess.
We need a new card anyways.
What, honey? You know you ate, right?
You need fat again?
They're both looking at me and like, Caleb was just staring and North was meowing. Like, I don't know what you want.
What the f is that? It's not the cameras, it's somewhere on the dash. It's some kind of alarm. Temperature's good, everything looks good.
Don't know. There's no alarms. Sounds like it's coming from that. So,
What?
this is flashing. It says alarm, and it's
Oh.
one of the
So it's that dang thing.
things.
I was gonna say everything outside looked good.
I'm gonna turn.
Looked good before we started moving today, and it looks good now. No wet spots, nothing weird.
We were gonna turn the TC on anyway, so I'm gonna turn that on. I don't know why
Why what?
that went on shortly after you pushed that whatever.
I don't know if
the
I did
thing
or
was,
not.
right?
I don't know.
See, there's the TCU alarm.
Sorry about that. Did you turn it on to
To start the TCU?
yeah.
Yeah, it says diesel engine starting.
Yep, there she goes.
That came on pretty good.
Yeah.
Does a lot better when it's not cold weather.
Yeah.
All right.
Time to go inside and I think that's a good one.
I like that one.
How much are these suckers?
I like that one. Styling is my favorite. Yeah, we get it.
What else?
I like your nails. Thank you.
Did we have any points to use? Or? Yeah, if we have them.
402. Yeah.
Thank you. So what do we get, Cinnamon?
We got some stickers.
Which ones we get?
We got Smiling's my favorite. It has Buddy the Elf.
Yeah.
And we got Road Trip. Looks like, you know, American. And then the dumpster fire, it says everything's fine.
I think that's pretty suiting with what's been going on with the truck so far.
Yeah. I
It's
think they're perfect.
Yeah. We wanted to add something to our curtain because we had to take the flag down because I like to have the windows open on a windy day and then it just flies everywhere. Look at this guy. He's enjoying it. He loves being out on the road. They're really shiny, so if they interfere with the camera, we might have to take them back down.
Yeah.
We were collecting magnets from states and putting them on our little refrigerator, but we're running out of room, and we thought this would be fun.
I like that one.
And
That one's a good one.
Yeah.
I didn't know
I
that
think
one.
it represents our little issues we've been having,
Yeah.
but it's going to turn around.
Looks good. Let's head out. We gotta go.
Yep.
I'm not done. I just wanted to look at it.
If you're interested in doing what we do and driving one of these trucks for a living, reach out to Hyfield Trucking at the link and phone number in the video description. Let them know Truck and Travel sent you. Come on. Road Warriors!
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.